Hello, my name is Rose and welcome to Family DIYs. Today we're going to be cooking this squash, and we grew this in 2021. The squash is called Gete Okosomin. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you! This is the first time growing this and I have no idea what this looks like, and I'm going to cook it like a pumpkin soup. We have the squash, garlic, onion, coconut milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, vegetable broth, salt, pepper, maple syrup, and cinnamon sticks. Wow. They look pretty good. I also wanted to mention this was harvested on September the 15th, and today it is January 9th, 2022. So this kept really good. They all look pretty good, and it smells good too. And the seeds are really easy to come out too. That's it. Well, there's more in here, but it's not hard. This is a little bit longer than the other ones, but I could lay it down, but I think I'd rather just do it like this and put some olive oil on each one. My kids said they look weird. Well, they kind of do. After a minute out of the oven, this guy looks pretty sad. Oh, boys. Oh, it's cooked enough. Ooh. Hot. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you!